Today, we're looking into the story of Rosa Hill, a name that has resurfaced in true crime discussions, particularly in connection with a disturbing case involving family conflict and murder. While not a widely known public figure, her case has gained attention over the years due to its shocking details. So now, many people are asking, where is Rosa Hill now? Let's find out. The case dates back to 2009 in California, where Rosa Hill became involved in a violent incident surrounding a family dispute. According to court testimony, she and her mother were accused of carrying out a brutal attack that resulted in the death of an elderly family member. The situation was described as extremely violent, involving weapons and a coordinated assault. During the investigation and trial, prosecutors laid out evidence showing that the attack was intentional and premeditated. Rosa Hill was later arrested, charged, and convicted in connection with the killing. The case drew attention due to the disturbing nature of the crime and the family dynamics involved. So, where is Rosa Hill now? As of the most recent available information, Rosa Hill is incarcerated in a California state prison, serving a lengthy sentence for murder. She remains behind bars, and there have been no widely reported developments suggesting a release. Her case continues to be referenced in true crime discussions and documentaries, often as an example of how domestic disputes can escalate into tragic and irreversible outcomes. From a private life to becoming part of a shocking criminal case, Rosa Hill's story remains one of the more unsettling cases tied to family violence. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.